First of all, games vary. Some of them are halal to entertain yourself by playing, and some may be haram due to the content which goes against Islam. Gods, zombies, crosses, bringing the dead to life, worshipping other than Allah, fortune telling, sorcery, etc. So it varies. However, video games are looked upon game by game. If it doesn't distract you from your obligations, such as your prayers on time in the masjid, such as your studies, such as obeying your parents. If the content is halal, there is no music, there's no free mixing, there's no nudity, there's no exaggerated violence, there's nothing wrong religiously dealing with aqidah or your religion as a Muslim. And if it is not an obsession, meaning, yes, it doesn't distract you from your obligations, but it takes 3-4 hours a day. If this is not the case, then this is permissible to entertain yourself by playing it. However, to go to the second level and make it as a career requires a lot of dedication of your time, of your mental ability, your focus, your concentration, to the extent that it becomes an obsession. You cannot reach this level of having it as a career without you thinking about it during prayer, without you thinking about it all day long and what to do and how to strategize, how to monetize and get money out of it. Maybe doing YouTube videos showing people how to reach the following stage, how to hack some tricks and be able to win. This is not part of Islam, and it shouldn't be what a Muslim does, simply because the Prophet ﷺ used to make in his dua, and he used to ask Allah by saying, وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ عِلْمٍ لَا يَنْفَعُ, and I seek refuge in you, Allah, from knowledge that is not beneficial. And this is knowledge that is not beneficial. It's not going to benefit the Muslim Ummah. It's not going to benefit other individuals. It may benefit you for the money, but again, it would probably mislead and misguide other Muslims elsewhere. Along that line, we know that the Prophet said, ﷺ, that no one would be removed from his spot on the Day of Judgment before being questioned, before being asked. And among the things that he's asked about is his youth. How did he spend it? So this is part of the things that you will have to answer on the Day of Judgment. And believe me, you don't want to have this as a career and to answer about it in your grave or on the Day of Judgment, because it's not something that is beneficial, and Allah knows best.